JSE All-Share Index trading at record levels again. We've said this so many times. Is it sustainable?
Yeah, Francis, thank you for having us. I think if you look at it, it has been another record day on the JSE, closing at a year-to-date record high of about 24.1% year-to-date. I think it's extraordinary compared to our counterparts, in the US, that's actually at around for year-to-date. S&P 500 about 12.46%, and Nasdaq about 15.73%, and then our European counterparts at about 11.73%. But I think there's also some caution that goes with that. Even if you have a look at certain industries within the JSE, small cap companies are actually year to date at about 4.76%, mid cap companies about 12.76%, and a financial 15 at about 5.33%, even in red, most of the day today. So the biggest counterpart is playing a big role when it comes to volume on the JSE is actually our commodities that's actually outperforming on the volumes. So a little bit of caution there. So even if you have a look at our counterparts all over the world, outperforming them with about 12 to 13%, when it comes to performance year to date. So yeah, let's enjoy it whilst it lasts. So I think that are more or less the same on a record high like the Springboks. So let's see what happens.
I wonder if someone can find a link there. But are you saying that what happens to our mines going forward will really impact the market?
Yeah, I think if you have a look at what's going on with the gold price, even also on a record high for the last 52 weeks. So if you have a look at $3,689 to the fine ounce, I think we're easily going towards that $4,000 margin that everybody was maybe, speculating about it, maybe even 15, 16 months ago. But it's actually going towards that portion now. But I think, if you have a look at what happened today, especially on the gold price, was more or less that thing that's been waiting for in the US with the Fed, that's basically having to announce whether they're going to cut the interest rates. And I think there's nothing else that's going to happen. They are going to cut the interest rates, in my opinion.